What if I told you there's one simple habit that could completely transform your life? Imagine feeling unstoppable, no matter what comes your way. Stick with me, because in just a few minutes you'll discover exactly what that habit is and how to make it yours. We all have habits, some good, some bad. But here's the thing. Habits are the building blocks of our daily lives. They shape our actions, our thoughts, and ultimately our success. The right habits can be the difference between living an average life and achieving extraordinary things. In today's video, I want to focus on one specific habit. This isn't just any habit, it's the key to unlocking your potential and living a life where you feel truly unstoppable. And the best part? It's simple enough to start right now. Here's the problem. So many of us set goals only to fall short. Maybe it's starting a fitness journey, building a career, or even sticking to a morning routine. The truth is, negative habits like procrastination, lack of discipline, or even self-doubt hold us back. It's frustrating, isn't it? You have all these dreams and aspirations, yet somehow you feel stuck in a loop. It's like running on a treadmill. You're working hard, but not getting anywhere. Why does this happen? The answer lies in the habits we form or fail to form. Let's break this down with a little psychology. Dr. Jordan Peterson, in his book 12 Rules for Life, emphasizes the power of small, consistent actions. Habits, he says, create structure in our lives. They're like the roots of a tree. Strong habits anchor you, while weak or negative habits leave you vulnerable. When you repeat a positive behavior daily, it rewires your brain through a process called neuroplasticity. Over time, these actions become automatic. This is why the right habits can literally change your life's trajectory. Think of it this way. Small habits are like compound interest. Even tiny improvements, repeated consistently, can lead to massive results over time. So what's the one habit that can make you unstoppable? It's this. Commit to one non-negotiable daily action that aligns with your biggest goal. This could be journaling every morning to clarify your thoughts, exercising for 30 minutes, or spending 15 minutes learning a new skill. The key is consistency. It doesn't have to be big, but it has to be daily. Let me give you a real-life example. Take Arnold Schwarzenegger. Before becoming a global icon, he committed to one thing: discipline in his workouts. That daily habit set the foundation for his success in bodybuilding, acting, and even politics. When you build a habit around a core goal, you're telling yourself, this is who I am. And that belief, that's what makes you unstoppable. So let's recap. Habits aren't just actions, they're the foundation of who we become. By committing to one small daily habit that aligns with your goals, you create momentum, build confidence, and unlock your potential. This isn't just about achieving success, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. And trust me, once you embrace this habit, you'll feel unstoppable. Now it's your turn. What's one habit you've committed to, or one you'd like to start? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. See you there.